How to fix iOS 18 unable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a software update. Let's get started. Start by ensuring you have a stable internet connection. For that, launch your settings, navigate to the option of Wi-Fi, click on the Wi-Fi network you are connected to, forget this network and give a fresh restart to your router, then join it. Likewise, switch between networks, Wi-Fi and cellular data. Next, give a fresh restart to your device. Click on the option General, scroll all the way down, click on Shutdown. You'll get the slider, slide that icon to the right. With that, your phone will be turned off. Once you turn off your phone, wait for a few minutes and then turn it back. Next, turn off VPN if active. Using a VPN can sometimes interfere with software issues, so navigate to the option of VPN and device management. If you are connected to any VPN, disable it. If the issue persists, try resetting your network settings. Head back, navigate to the option Transfer or Reset iPhone, click on Reset. Click on Reset Network Settings. Now go ahead and type in your phone's passcode and continue with the process. This will remove saved passwords and VPNs but can resolve network-related update issues. If none of these solutions work, what you can do is check your iPhone storage. Head back, navigate to the option iPhone Storage. Here you're gonna find the list of the apps that were installed on your device. You can delete or offload the unused apps. By this, your problem will be fixed. This way you can easily fix iOS 18 unable to check for update and error occurred while checking for a software update. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.